Another issue is on North Korean democracy and the rule of law. We will continue to stand together. I see very, very great potential for us to continue to build this alliance together to work.
The CCP treats foreigners in such a way, and it persecutes Uyghurs.
China release Michael Spavor now! China release Hussein Jalil now!
China release Hussein Jalil now!
China stop killing Uyghurs now!
China stop killing Uyghurs now!
We want freedom!
We want freedom!
Who is the terrorist?
China!
Shame on China!
Shame on China!
Shame on China! Uyghurs!
Stop killing Uyghurs!
Stop killing Tibetans!
Stop killing Tibetans!
Бәшәңләр бер кор булыңлар, бәшәңләр бер кор.
China! Fascist China! Terrorist China!
Terrorist China!
Terrorist China! Shame on China!
Shame on China!
Stop the genocide of Uyghurs!
China, get out of Mr. Turkestan! China, get out of Mr. Turkestan! Who is the terrorist? Shame on China!
Shame on China!
Bloody China!
Bloody China!
Free Canadian citizens! China, stop the genocide of Uyghurs!
China, stop the genocide of Uyghurs!
China,
China, shame!
shame on China!
No! No more Huawei. Did they tell you what we're going to do? Xi Jinping terrorist.
Free Canadians!
Free
Shame on China! China!
Fascist China!
Fascist China!
Hello, assalamu alaikum, Indonesia. Assalamu alaikum. Java, Jakarta, Solo, Surabaya, Aceh. Terima kasih banyak. Sekarang semua dunia Uyghur, seluruh Uyghur mengucapkan terima kasih adik-beradik saudara Indonesia, Malaysia. Terima kasih banyak. Sekarang ada warga negara Turkistan umur 15 tahun 50 lebih kurang 3 juta orang tangkap dalam penjara. 1 tahun lebih tak ada keluar informasi, tak pun tak tahu sekarang. Orang sudah matikan ada live. Jangan mempercaya komunis teroris state China. Saudara, adik-beradik Melayu, Indonesia, Malaysia, jangan mempercaya komunis teroris China. Jangan mempercaya. Terima kasih. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Orang Melayu, adik-beradik.
Communist China! Communist China! Communist China!
qilishimizni xuddi yig'ilishni vesile qilg'ay. Maqsadimizga binoan o'likleri taap bo'ladi. O'likleri xuddi hayvonlarning taaplaridanmi, eshakning taapidanmi beter bir holatda barishlar o'rtaq bir shaklda chiqishinglar. Bu sizlarning iymoniy vijdoniy bo'lsinlar. Hammalarga rahmat. Alloh hammamizga iloqlik ifoda ato qilsin. Biz bizim qilganimizni, qilgan faoliyatimizni Allah.
Then he continues, and he says, so race to all that is good, and that's what we're doing. We could be doing anything else but this.
The Uyghur people of East Turkestan are not alone. You have the support of Tibetans, you have the support of Falun Gong practitioners, you have the support of all the different oppressed peoples that are across China and occupied parts that are standing for freedom with you.
One of the main things that we have to remember in the end of this demonstration, that it doesn't matter what they do, freedom is a bulletproof. Freedom has no expiry date. If there's one thing we need to remember, they can kill the believers, but they cannot kill the belief of our hearts. They can kill the dreamers, but no one can kill the dream. Thank you for coming here. November 5, can I take your attention?
Ugly and ugly. Bloody, shame on. Where's my parents? Hey, where's my parents, huh? Where's my sister? Where is the baby? Where is the father? Huh? What did you do?